This is how to install printer drives on your laptop. As an FSU student, you can print from FSU computers or your laptop, so long as you have funds on your student ID card. Printers can be found on the second floor of the Research Center or the ground floor of the Advocacy Center. From the Research Center homepage, click on Research Center Tech. From there, click on Student Printing so that you see the screen shown here. It's the main screen for all things printing. The first thing you should do is click on the OBS link. The OBS link will lead to this page. Click on Instructions for whichever operating system you have to get a PDF with step-by-step instructions. The PDF will have screenshots of the different dialog boxes that will appear as you download the driver. Once you've reviewed the instructions, go back to this page and select Download for Mac or Windows, depending on your operating system. Follow the instructions from the PDF you just reviewed, and you should end up with the correct printer driver installed. A few things to note. When you're printing, make sure you have funds on your FSU card. To check or add funds, go to the website circled on this screen. When you go to print something, you should have the options of two printers, one named B&W and the other named Color. Black and white printing, or the B&W printer, is 10 cents per page, but you have to select the B&W printer. If you select the color printer and change the color to black and white, you will still be charged 25 cents per page, which is the color rate. Finally, sometimes the printer will jam or run out of paper. If this happens, just come to the circulation desk for help.